Hi, this is Wendy Lee from CreativeLeeYours.com. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US and excited to share with you today a sneak peek of our November 2023 Cultivated Creativity DIY paper crafting kit. So each month we curate a fantabulous kit full of goodies with 5 projects in it. And we select a Stampin' Up! Featured stamp set or bundle, right? So sometimes it's a stamp and die bundle, sometimes it's a stamp and punch bundle. So that varies each month. And this month we have featured the Winter Owls stamp and die bundle by Stampin' Up. Love this one. So fun. And you can use this all year round, right? So in your package, you're going to find some consumable supplies that you're going to get to keep. And then we do 4 cards and 1 not a card. Anything goes for the 5th one, right? This is our DIY paper crafting subscription, but this is risk-free, right? This is a subscription program where you can choose to do 1 month and cancel, no problem. Or you can continue on and on and on. When you do 6 consecutive months in a row, you get a little gifty from me. Yay. Love it, love it, love it. But we've put this together so that you can enjoy the best part of the crafting process, right? You get to go right to the creative friend. I package this all up, label everything so you know what you've got, ship it right to you. You get to open it. It's like Christmas every month. You get to open up this great kit and play, right? So, do you want to see a sneak peek of what we've got for this month? Of course we do, right? I'm going to give you a quick flash, right? So we've got this lovely card here. So we are featuring some a little bit of techniques with white crafting this month. So lots of fun there. Now, if you do not like this particular stamp set, you could choose to use a stamp set of your choice. Now, this one's an interactive card. Do you see him moving? Isn't that fun? Gotta love that, right? And then we've got our Nata card. So this one's actually a little hot cocoa pouch. So much fun. And then another one right here, little snowy owls. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So I do hope that you will join us for this month's paper crafting kit. I will leave a link below in the video. You just expand it to show more, and you will have the information you need right there to find out all you need to know about the program. If you do have any questions or need help getting set up, please let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you join us this month. Bye for now.